Hello YouTube and welcome to this video, and this isn't really a video tutorial, it's more of an announcement regarding my tutorials. So first of all, let me just tell you why I haven't been making tutorials lately. It's because it's coming up to my exams in college now. I have exams on the 6th of June and the 16th of June, I think. They're on pretty hard subjects like project management is one, and understanding business organisations is the other. And I've got to do a lot of revising for them because I need to pass these exams. So that's why I've been inactive lately. And after me exams, I'll be doing videos like 2-3 videos a week like I used to. I've just been really busy lately, and I might do a few videos before me exams. Just depends if I get any spare time. Okay, so moving on. This video is just about Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. Now this isn't new really. This came out in like March, and lately I've been getting a lot of messages asking me why I don't use Visual Studio 2010. It's because I'm just quite lazy really. Um, I just couldn't be bothered downloading it and setting it up, and I don't really like change. And I was used to Visual Studio 2008, but everyone's got to keep up with the times, yesterday I downloaded Visual Studio 2010 and set it all up, registered me stuff and that, and I'm going to be using this from now on in all my tutorials. So if you haven't got it, go to microsoft.com/express /downloads, and then click Visual Basic 2010 Express. Then select your language and it'll pop up. Here we go, and then you just save it, whatever, run it. It's pretty much straightforward. If you don't understand how to install it, then you probably shouldn't be learning programming. Okay, so when you've downloaded it, here it is. Pretty much the same as Visual Basic 2008. Same layout, just but with a bit, fancy graphics and stuff. Looks pretty cool. I'm not going to tell you all of the changes that have been made, but you can look that up on the web. Now, there's only going to be one problem with Visual Studio, or Visual Basic 2010, sorry. Let's just create a new project. Call it VB 2010 project. Okay. Let it all load up. My computer's pretty crappy right now, so let it load. Okay, and it shows your basic form, toolbox, solution explorer I've got set up. If you can't see these right here, then just go to view, other windows, and just click on them right here. Okay, so let's say you compile an application in Visual Basic 2010. Visual Basic 2010 naturally compiles applications with the .NET Framework 4.0, which is the newest framework that Microsoft have released. Now, this has not been included in a Windows update, at least I think it hasn't. So right now, let's say you make an application right now, add some stuff, then give it to your friend. He won't be able to run it because, well, if he hasn't downloaded it, because he hasn't got the Microsoft .NET Framework 4.0. So if you're selling a product and you're trying to compile it with .NET Framework 4.0, then it's going to be pretty bad for your sales because not a lot of people will be able to use it. So what you're going to have to do, if you are selling a product, you could even go back to 2.0, but right click your project after you've made it and go to properties. Then we're going to go to the compile tab here and go to advanced compile options, and you'll see here target framework all configurations. Click on the drop down and then you can select what framework you want it to run on here. Now 3.5 has been released in a Microsoft update. I'm pretty sure it has anyway, so pretty much nearly every computer will, like, I don't know, half of the computers will be able to run anything in .NET Framework 3.5. Visual Basic 2008 used the .NET Framework 3.5 that was the most recent one. So you just set it to that, and I've got to save it. save all first. Save that. And then I'll go back and do it. Yes. And just let it load up. Go back to properties. Compile, advanced compile options, and you'll see here .NET Framework 3.5. Now it's just like we could do it in Visual Basic 2008. Now, if you have installed Visual Basic 2010, then that comes with the .NET Framework 4.5, so you can run applications with it comes with 4.0, so you can run applications with 4.0, but all your customers won't be able to. So if you're just doing learning Visual Basic for personal things that you're going to use in your own computer, then just use the 4.0. If you're going to be selling stuff like to other people, then use 3.5 or earlier. So yeah, that was all for this video. Sorry, it's just so boring, but you know, I just wanted to keep you guys updated. Make sure to release some videos so you know I haven't gone anywhere. I fully intend to complete all 100 plus tutorials that I have planned, just haven't had the time lately. So please stay subscribed, tell all your friends about the channel, because I want to be able to make videos over 10 minutes long. So like when it comes to sockets tutorials, like with TCP client server connection, I can actually record a video that's like 15-20 minutes long maybe, and no, I don't want to be restricted to 10 minutes, because then I'm always worrying about the time, and like I'm worrying about it right now. I wonder when I started this video, but yeah, I'm always worrying about the time, rushing stuff, going over stuff too fast, and it's really not good. So yeah, tell all your friends. I want to reach a few thousand subscribers, get a partner maybe, and try and be able to make videos over 10 minutes. So yeah, thanks guys. Stay subscribed, comment on the video, like it, whatever. Download Visual Basic 2010, and I'll see you guys. And as I said, I might actually make a tutorial tonight, and maybe one in a week or something, but there's not going to be many for the next 2-3 weeks because of college. So yeah, see you guys.